Today I am sharing 4 nutritious, tasty and traditional lunchbox recipes made using simple homemade ingredients, perfect for kids and family. Let's begin. First, let's make a protein-rich hyacinth beans thalipet. To this, I added chopped spring onions, curry leaves, coriander leaves, and the prepared crushed masala. Along with this goes wheat flour, little dry spices and salt. Now add little water and prepare a smooth dough. The dough should be soft so that we can easily tap it. Place the dough on butter paper and gently tap it into thalipet shape. Transfer carefully onto hot tawa and cook from both sides with little oil until golden and crisp. This thalipet turns out super flavorful, nutritious and perfect for lunchbox packing. Next is an instant and nutritious hyacinth beans Rava dosa. I used fresh hyacinth beans along with Rava, ginger, green chili, cumin, salt and water to prepare a smooth pouring batter. In a pan, I prepared a simple rai tadka and directly poured the dosa batter over it. On top, I sprinkled grated carrots, fresh coriander leaves and little idli podi for extra flavor. Cook from both sides until nicely roasted and crisp. This dosa becomes extremely aromatic and adds beautiful texture, making lunchbox extra special. Easy to make, nutritious and absolutely lunchbox friendly recipe for busy mornings. Now let's make South Indian style ragiroti using tapping method. I have taken 1 cup sieved ragi flour, added a 1/4 cup rice flour. Slowly pour hot water and prepare a soft dough. Mix it carefully using a spoon at first, as the water will be hot, and once slightly cool, knead it into a soft dough. Take a portion of the dough and first tap it gently on a plate or butter paper into roti shape. While tapping, sprinkle sesame seeds on top for a lovely nutty flavor and slight crunch. Now carefully transfer the roti onto hot tawa. Apply little water on the top surface and allow it to cook well. Once cooked, gently flip it over and roast the other side with little oil until nicely done. Soft, healthy and very filling, this ragi roti makes a perfect nutritious lunchbox option. Last, let's prepare a healthy and protein-rich Methi Masur dosa. First, wash Masur dal nicely and soak it for about 30 minutes. After soaking, grind the dal along with ginger and green chili into a smooth batter. To this batter, add freshly chopped methi leaves, finely chopped onions and salt. Mix everything well. Now pour small portions of batter onto hot tawa and spread slightly. Cook on medium flame until nicely roasted, then flip and cook the other side until golden.